Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the exciting results after 2 weeks of implementing a unique method to enhance the growth of my Alocasia amazonica houseplant. As mentioned in my previous video, I decided to try out electroculture, an age-old technique that taps into the abundant energy present in our environment to boost agricultural productivity. By utilizing the Earth's atmospheric energy, this method allows us to significantly increase yields without the need for pesticides, fertilizers, or manure. I placed an atmospheric antenna to stimulate more leaf growth, and now I can't wait to show you the impressive progress. If you're interested in learning more about this method, including how to make the antenna and see the before and after results on my houseplants, I highly recommend watching my previous video on electroculture for houseplants. I've included a link to it in the video description below. Here are the results after 2 weeks. As you can see, the Alocasia amazonica poly has successfully produced 3 new leaves. Typically, when kept as a houseplant indoors, this species tends to spread 1 leaf at a time. However, with the implementation of the atmospheric antenna, we are now witnessing the plant's ability to develop 3 leaves simultaneously. This clear evidence confirms the effectiveness of this method, and I couldn't be more thrilled. I'm continuing to conduct experiments with this technique, and it's truly fascinating. I highly encourage you to watch my previous video for a more detailed explanation. This is how my Alocasia amazonica looked 2 weeks ago when I first placed the antenna. If you like my content, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and it's completely free for you. Thanks for watching.